How to build a $10 app with no team from idea to prompt to build to launch. Hey guys, I'm Derek Davis. I'm the founder of Kreshendo Creations, which we create all kinds of apps and different solutions for content creators, businesses, entrepreneurs, and much more. And this particular live show, I'm going to teach you guys how you can really use $10 to produce apps like I did with Spruce the Blogger, and we'll be working with our new app that we're going to build, which is Kreshendo Klips, and I'm going to show you guys straight from scratch how we're able to do that with. I mean, it's not like it's just $10, but for $10 you can get a very good prototype for yourself to use for yourself to build upon the idea. Now with Spruce, that the idea worked after $10. I had a working prototype that worked for me, which is Spruce the Blogger is in short a WordPress plugin that we will be selling that takes AI content from your ideas that you plug in from your website. So your AI learns your website and all of your products that you're selling, and therefore every day it can wake up and create you a blog post for whatever your inputs for your creators or whoever your niche is, or whatever the topics you want it to spit out. It does that on an automatic basis. So we'll get into that in the video where I teach you guys how to do this. And then again, Kreshendo Klips is going to be like an app the way you just take your long form videos, you put your long form videos in, and you can get different maybe memes, short clips, and other ways to repurpose your long form videos. That's what we'll be working on in the workshop. So you guys, please make sure you like and subscribe. When you subscribe, make sure you hit the all notifications button, so that way you'll know when the live stream for this class will be up. And again, look at the descriptions and make sure you join the content creator revolution. And I'll see you guys, and I'm happy to be able to show you this. See you soon.